PCG TVCA alumni. A native from Nueva Estrella, Bienvenido, Bohol. Born on February 18, 1989. Married to April Hazel Cabalit Turan. Blessed with 3 children. Finished his elementary education at Nueva Estrella Elementary School in the year 2003. Finished his secondary education at PCTG TVCA in the year 2007. Graduated Bachelor of Science in Criminology at the University of Bohol in the year 2011. Took up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Social Science in the year 2022, and continued his master's degree at the University of Bohol. Graduated Juris Doctor at Bohol Institute of Technology, International College in the year 2019. Took up Master of Science in Criminal Justice at Philippine College of Criminology in the year 2024. University of Bohol ROTC Corps Commander in the year 2009 to 2010. University of Bohol SSG President in the year 2010 to 2011. Chief of Interns in the College of Criminology in the year 2010 to 2011. A registered criminologist, a licensed professional teacher, presently employed at Luay Municipal Police Station, designated as Chief Investigator. Pursue his studies in line with his craft as PNP Scout at Camp Separately Hinovia, Sibunga, Cebu. Took up Criminal Investigation course at Camp Sergio Osmeña, Cebu City. Took up Public Safety Investigation Detection course at Camp Vicente Lim, Calamba, Laguna. Took up Public Safety Junior Leadership course at Camp Bagundiwa, Lower Bikutan, Taguig City. A member of Phi Omega Sigma Fraternity and Sorority. Ladies and gentlemen, the person I am referring to is none other than Police Master Sergeant Donald William Turan. A round of applause.